Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to go over some Inkscape basics and explore some of the many tools. Linked below is a video on how to install Inkscape. So first I just want to show you how to change a bit of how it's laid out. If you scroll using the scroll wheel on your mouse, this page in the middle right here will move up and down. Now if you hold down on the scroll wheel and drag the page, it will also move around. So if you ever find yourself looking at a blank page, try to drag it around to see if you can fix that. You can also hold down on the control key on your keyboard, and using your scrolling wheel, you can zoom it in and out. The last thing for changing around the layout are the bars on the side and at the bottom. So this is the side one, and these are the bottom ones. On the left side are your tools. The selection one we're using right now is the default. What it does is basically whatever you select, dotted lines and arrows you can use to change the object will appear. So for example, if I use the third tool right here and I make a square inside the page, now if I use a selection tool, it will be dotted lines and arrows I can use to change that object. So here I can make it bigger or smaller, but if you left click it again, the direction of the arrows will change, so now you can move it along the Y or X axis. Next, if you select an object, there's also options at the top of your screen to change it as well. So there is the width and there is the height. Let's say you want the width to be 12 millimeters. You can manually type it in and click enter. You can also change the unit you would like to use. So right now we're using millimeters, but if you want to change it into, let's say, inches, go up and select inches. So now if I type in 4, it will be 4 inches. Now if you want to change the color of the object you have selected, make sure it is selected first or else it would not change, but go down to the bottom of your screen and choose a color. So if I wanted it to be pink, I can select pink. And now as you can see, the object turns pink. Now if you want to move an object around, use your left click on your mouse and you can drag it anywhere on the page. However, if you drag it outside of the page and you print it out, it will not show up on the page because it is not within what you're going to be printing. So that's basically just some very basic stuff that you need to know in order to have a fun time in Inkscape. And I'd like to say thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye!